In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can paste the same formula across 100 sheets here in Google Sheets. So in a previous video, I got this comment of what if they wanted to paste the same formula across 100 sheets. Now this is in a previous video where I show you how to copy and paste just the formulas within your spreadsheet. So in that video, we actually used the paste special and we were able to do it in between, I think, 2 sheets. But that comment got me thinking, how do we actually paste the same formula across 100 sheets? Well, if you're dealing with 100 sheets and let's say you're trying to paste the same formula on the same range, this is a workaround that I found, and this is actually using AppScript and ChatGPT. In this example spreadsheet, I have the same range for all of my tabs right here. And basically, these are sales from different branches. And we have the product, same columns, the region, units sold, and unit price. So basically, what we're trying to do is to just get the total sales for all of these tabs right here by applying the same formula. So how do we do this? Well, what I found was to use AppScript to create a function that will allow us to insert or paste the same formula across all of these sheets right here. So what I did was I went to ChatGPT. Here is mine, and this is the prompt that I entered. So since I don't have any background with coding or with creating scripts to create functions, what I did was to ask the help of AI, or in this case, ChatGPT. Now, in previous videos, you've already seen me use this a couple of times, and it's been very helpful to create those specific functions that we want to use in Google Sheets. And this is just one of those instances where I ask for the help of AI to create me that script, because again, I have no idea on how to do that, so it's going to create it for me. And this is my prompt. So I asked it to create a code for AppScript in Google Sheets that will allow me to paste the same formula across all of the sheets that exist in my spreadsheet with a custom menu that I can just click so that it would keep adding the same formula to that same range. So when creating your prompt, you have to specify which range it will apply the same formula and where it will start, and also the formula that you wanted to paste or insert in all of those sheets or tabs. So the formula is, we have C2 times D2 because in order to get my total sales, I want the units sold multiplied to the unit price to get the total sales. So that's our formula. And that's what I typed in right here. And I wanted to apply it to my E column. So my E column is my total sales column. And I want it to start in the cell E2. You have to include those. All the details, all the specifications that you want, you have to include them in your prompt. But if you do forget, that's okay. You can also ask it to reformulate your script after if you find something missing or if you think something is lacking. So that's my prompt, and I think ChatGPT already understood what I'm trying to do. And here is the result. So it will also give you the instructions on how you can add your script to AppScript. So that's going to be opening your extensions, going to AppScript, paste the code below that it has created. Here it is. And it's also going to explain how it works. So again, I also asked it to add a custom menu that I can click, which will be called Formula Tools. And then the menu button would be Apply Column E Formula, which is again, our formula would be multiplying the units sold to the unit price. So now all we have to do would be to copy the script that it has created for us, then go back to our spreadsheet, go to Extensions in the menu bar, and click on AppScript. Once you click that, it will open a new tab for your AppScript. Wait for it to load, and here it is. Usually there's something here, so if there's anything on your AppScript, all you have to do is delete it, make sure that's clear, then you can just paste. That's Control V, and here we have it. I'm going to save this first. Save project to your drive. After that, we're going to run it. So in our execution log, there are going to be permissions that you will allow. Once you've done allowing those permissions, reviewing all those permissions, and there you have it, go back to your spreadsheet And now you'll see that we have a new function on our menu bar right here that will say Formula Tools. So this is the function that will allow us to paste the same formula across all of our sheets right here. So right now, all of them are empty on the total sales. But if I go to my Formula Tools here in the menu bar, and then click on Apply Column E Formula. It's running the script. Formula applied to column E in all sheets. Click on OK and just wait for it to load. And there you have it. It does take a 1 second delay before it shows the results, but it will have those results. So now we have our total sales. So that's 12 times 20 equals 240. And again, that is applied to all of our sales. You'll see that that formula is already there. Sales 2, another sheet. There we go. We have our total sales with the same formula already inserted or pasted on that range. Sales 3, there you go. 4, 5, and it has been applied to all of our sheets right here. Now let's say you have a new sheet. I'm going to add or duplicate this one right here. There we go. I'm going to rename it at Sales 11. There you have it. Now I'm going to delete that range. So in this new sheet that I've just added, I don't have the total sales yet. But if I go back to Formula Tools and click on Apply Column E Formula, click on OK, it has now applied the same formula on our range right here. Now this is a special case of pasting the same formula across 100 sheets because in this instance, we do have the same range and almost the same data across all of those 100 sheets. And there you have it. That's how you can paste the same formula across 100 sheets using AppScript and ChatGPT. Now, if you still need extra help with sheets, I've got a free guide linked in the description below that you should definitely check out. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.